How to set back tap to lock the screen in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now scroll down and in physical and motor section you can see the option touch. Now click on it and then scroll down in last and click on back tap and click on double tap or triple tap. Now select any option and then select lock screen. After select a lock screen, then go back to your home screen, and if you double tap on your phone back, then your screen will be locked. So this is the way to set back tap to lock the screen in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.